Transfer pricing miscellaneous. Problem number 16. Fox 2 Tech Limited has divisions DX and division DZ with full profit responsibility. The division DX produces component X which it sells to outside customers only. The division DZ produces a product called Z which incorporates component X in its design. DZ division is currently purchasing 2500 units of component X per year from an outside supplier at a cost of Rs 35 per unit, less a 10% quantity discount. DX division can sell its entire component X to outside customers at the normal price, at the normal Rs 35 price. Costs associated with manufacturing of a unit of component X are as follows. Variable expenses Rs 21, fixed based on capacity of 25,000 units per year, Rs 9. FTTL's new managing director agrees for internal transfer if an acceptable transfer price can be worked out. Accordingly, he requires solution of following questions. If the DZ division purchases 2500 units of component X per year from the DX division, what price should control the transfers? Why? Okay, so it is very basic problem. It's very basic problem. Like one division is there, Fox F2TL, one division is there. Okay. Sorry, F2TL is having two divisions, DX and DZ. So DX is producing some component X. Okay, and DZ is also producing some product as Z, and in that Z it is incorporating component X, and that component it is purchasing from outside market at Rs 35 less a discount of 10%. This division DX is there. That division is able to sell the component X at normal market price of Rs 35, and it is able to sell all the products, operating at full capacity and able to sell all the products. So now the managing director is saying that he is ready to accept the transfer price, but he is asking what price should control the transfers and why. So obviously it has to be the same 35 rupees only, because whenever there is a external market, the transfer price to be fixed should be variable cost plus contribution lost. So variable cost is how much? 21 rupees plus contribution lost is how much? The 35 external price minus 21 variable cost, 14 rupees coming the contribution. That contribution they will be losing. Division DX will be losing if they are transferring to DZ. So that's why variable cost plus contribution lost will be the transfer price. So ultimately 35 should be the transfer price. So the answer is the transfer price should be 35 per unit, the regular price charged to the other customers. Since the DX division is operating at capacity, it will lose Rs 14 in contribution margin for each outside sale given up in favor of sales to DZ division. That's why 35 minus 21 is equal to 14 rupees. Transfer price should be variable cost per unit plus loss contribution margin per unit on outside sale. So 21 plus 14, Rs 35. Second question, refer to your computation in 1. What is the lower limit and upper limit for a transfer price? Is the upper limit relevant in this question? Lower limit and upper limit is going to be the same only, 35 rupees only. So see, the lower limit is 35, the price contained in 1. The upper limit is also 35. Since 35 is the intermediate market price, that is, it would not be fair to charge the other division more than the price being charged to regular customers. However, an upper limit is not really relevant in this situation, since no transfer will be made between the two divisions. Why no transfer will be made? Because that division DZ is able to purchase it at a cheaper rate, 35 minus 10% discount at 31.5 rupees itself. They are able to purchase from outside market, so why they are going to purchase from this division, so transfer will not take place. Third question, if the DX division meets the price that the TJ division is currently paying to its supplier and sells 2,500 units of component X to DZ division each year, what will be the effect on the profits of the DX division, the DX division and the company as a whole? You see, the price being paid to the outside supplier net of quantity discount is only rupees 31.50. If this price is met by the DX division, then profit in the DX division and in the company as a whole will drop by 8,750 rupees per year. How it will be? Because the minimum transfer price is 35 and outside supplier price is 31.50, so loss and contribution margin per unit will be 3.50 and number of units per year 2,500 which they are going to transfer, so 2,500 into 3.50 rupees, total loss and profit will be 8,750. So profit in the DX division will remain unchanged since it will be paying the same price internally as it is now paying externally. But overall profit of the company and profit of the DX division will drop by 8,050. Now fourth question, if the intermediate market price for component X is rupees 35 per unit, is there any reason why the DX division should sell the DX division for less than rupees 35? Yeah, reason will be obviously there, because whenever there is a internal transfer and all, there are so many costs which a division can actually avoid, like advertisement cost they can avoid, transportation cost they can avoid. That's why. So answer is yes, if cost can be avoided as a result of the inside business, the price would then be rupees 35 less the avoided cost. That's all.